Intel's rumored new Arc Xe2 Battlemage GPUs could hit the market as soon as next month, according to a leak from Golden Pig Upgrade Pack, a well-known source for hardware information. If the rumor holds true, Intel is on track to expand its lineup with Battlemage, the next step up from the current Arc series. The tip from Golden Pig Upgrade Pack mentions that Battlemage will arrive for desktops, but details on performance or specific configurations are still scarce. This low level of information has kept things pretty quiet, and some even started wondering if Intel's desktop plans were going to fall through entirely. However, this leak hints that Intel has managed to keep development under wraps, potentially setting the stage for a strong debut just in time for the holiday season. Intel's CEO Pat Gelsinger has previously acknowledged that discrete graphics cards haven't seen as much demand as hoped. The focus lately has been on integrated graphics, especially in the mobile space, where Intel has historically thrived. For gamers or those looking for standalone desktop GPUs, though Intel's Arc line could still be quite appealing, especially in a market that's looking for solid, affordable alternatives to the premium cards from AMD and Nvidia. Earlier rumors suggested a potential Battlemage release by Black Friday, and this latest leak aligns with that timeline. In terms of lineup, Battlemage is expected to offer three primary models: the Arc BMG 31, Arc BMG 20, and Arc BMG G10. The top-end model may feature 32 Xe2 cores, promising solid performance for gamers and creators who don't necessarily need flagship power, but want something reliable. With AMD also gearing up to release their RDNA 4 GPUs, the timing of Intel's move into the budget segment could work to its advantage. While Nvidia's premium cards will likely retain their lead at the top, a competitive Intel release could push Nvidia to reconsider its pricing on lower-end models, giving consumers more options without breaking the bank. One major question hanging over the Battlemage release is driver support, an area where Intel has faced challenges in the past. Effective drivers are crucial to maximize a GPU's performance and ensure a smooth user experience, and Intel's reputation in this area is still building. If they've managed to fine-tune their drivers this time around, Battlemage could be well-positioned to offer a smooth and reliable experience right from the start. Intel's timing with Battlemage's release makes sense. A launch around CES might not have the same impact as a holiday release, where the new cards could meet demand from both gamers and tech enthusiasts looking to upgrade. CES usually brings a lot of big announcements from multiple brands, and the crowded stage could detract from Intel's spotlight. By aiming for the holiday season, Intel might better capture attention, especially as people look to snag tech upgrades at year-end sales. The larger implications of Battlemage's launch are interesting as well. Intel has been exploring various strategies to make a dent in the GPU market, and Battlemage could be part of a broader plan to stay competitive and relevant in discrete graphics. If Intel can hit the right balance of performance and pricing, these GPUs could gain traction with gamers and PC builders who don't want or need the absolute top-tier cards. Whether Battlemage becomes a major player will depend on how it stacks up against Nvidia and AMD's offerings in real-world tests. But even if it doesn't dominate benchmarks, having a solid, budget-friendly alternative could boost Intel's profile among users who prioritize value. It's a strategy that could help Intel carve out a niche, especially if they continue to build on the Arc line's foundation and improve with each release. Intel's approach to pricing will be another key factor to watch. By positioning Battlemage as a budget-friendly choice, Intel could attract users who want good performance without the premium cost. In a market where Nvidia has long been the go-to brand and AMD has its loyal following, Intel will need to balance performance with affordability to lure consumers who might otherwise stick with the established brands. The rumored release next month would also come at a good time as Nvidia and AMD gear up for their own releases. AMD's RDNA 4 series is expected to target the same budget and mid-range audiences, which means consumers could see a lot of movement in pricing and availability across the GPU market. For many PC builders and gamers, this could mean better prices and more options, as each brand tries to offer competitive choices in the lead-up to the holiday season. Overall, if Intel does launch its Battlemage GPUs next month, it'll be an exciting entry to watch, especially as it joins a lineup that's evolving alongside AMD and Nvidia's latest cards. While it may not dethrone the top-tier models, it could offer strong competition for users looking for solid performance at a reasonable price. With AMD and Nvidia continuing to hold the premium spots, Intel's move into the mainstream and budget segment could be exactly the opening they need. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and thanks for watching.